Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you a recipe for a long life elixir, formulated specially for men. Elixirs are another tasty and traditional way to take your herbs. They are essentially sweetened tinctures that typically call for the healing powers of adaptogenic herbs. This herbal elixir builds strength and vitality. Although it can be used by both females and males, it is formulated specifically for men. You can use different herbs with other health benefits, such as ashwagandha, gotu-kola, and rhodiola, different proportions, and even different flavoring agents. For each quart of tincture, use 2 good-sized, high-quality ginseng roots, or whatever you can afford. This strong herbal tonic will taste like a rich liquor and is excellent for you. Serve it in a fine little goblet and sip it. The useful group of herbs is well known for supporting the health of our adrenal system, which manages our body's hormonal response to stress. The tonic herbs are useful for boosting energy, vitality, and possibly even longevity. This sweet remedy is usually made with brandy, which is gentler on the stomach than other alcohols used for tincturing. It's also naturally warming, smooth, and tasty. Elixirs are typically made for sipping, as they are much more palatable than their tincture counterparts, and typically have a shelf life of about 3 years. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.